going to learn something that we cannot see with our eyes. We are going to explore it, and you guys gonna learn it. Okay? Have you ever washed your hands before eating, before doing something, before touching? Why we need to wash our hands? Oh, right. Correct. So, what is that called? Bacteria, fungi. What is that? Yes, we are going to learn about microorganism. Okay, what is the other names about other than microorganism?
Bacteria.
No, that's a type. Germs. That's called germs. Yeah, just same meaning. How can we see the microorganism? How can we see them with our eyes?
Microscope.
Correct. We're using the microscope to see them, right? So, I will tell you the objective today. So, the first objective is Year 6 student. You guys as a Year 6 student, okay, will be able to accurately differentiate between various microorganisms in science subject KSSR based on its characteristic with 75 accuracy. So you guys will know how to differentiate between various microorganisms. There are so many types, but today we will learn 5 types only. Okay. Second objective is, after exploring interactive content on Search Modular, you will learn with her. Student, you guys will be able to accurately list factors of affecting microorganisms' growth without making any errors. Okay, let's go explore microorganism and its characteristic. Okay, this is a picture of many types of microorganism. Can you see this? Very colorful, right?
Yes.
But the colors doesn't define the microorganism lah, because it is a cartoon version. So, what is a microorganism? Tiny living things that are so small we cannot see them without a microscope. That thing's very small, we cannot see with our naked eyes, and we need to use the microscope. So, you know, micro and organism is a combination words. Micro, what? What is micro? Micro is so small, tiny living. That's so small we cannot see. So we are going to explore what's the types of microorganism. Can you see this one icon? They have 5 icons. This one, this one. So which one do you want to see first? Okay. So first type is bacteria. Okay. Bacteria is one-cell microorganism. Only one cell. It can live almost everywhere, in food, soil, water, in the air, in our skin also. Okay, right? So second, it multiply very fast. So sometimes it can be good, sometimes it can be bad. Why bacteria is helpful? Because in yogurt it helps digest. Second, in your stomach, it will help break down your food, and in salt, it helps brains grow. So second, why it's being bad? Because it can cause food poisoning. You can make you sick, and then it can cause throat. Your voice cannot coming out. So this is there are so many bacteria. It's not only one. Okay. Example like Spirillum, Streptococcus, Salmonella, and the other one. So the bacteria, the shape is something like, the shape is round, rod, and spiral. Round, rod, and spiral, like the sausage. Just remember the sausage lah. So that's the shape lah. Okay. Next, back. Okay. Next, which one? The other bacteria you want to say? The green one? Okay. Okay, protozoa. Protozoa is something you can remember like this one. Protozoa like, you know, shape like tapak Sulaiman. Okay, star like the star. Starfish. Yeah, starfish. Okay, and then there are three other names in protozoa: amoeba, euglena, paramecium, and the others. So the three one is the one we generally know lah. Okay, protozoa, it can act like tiny animals and live in water, such as ponds, lakes, and river, and it moving around using hair-like structure or tails. Look, the protozoa, the euglena have a tails. Remember, this is protozoa, and then the other protozoa also have the tails, right? Remember, okay? Because there, after this, we are having the quiz. Next, which one? The purple. Where the purple? Okay. Fungi. Okay, fungi. This is a well-known. You will know because sometimes you leave the bread a long time at the bowl and you don't eat it. When you don't eat it, you just throw away, right? Okay, fungi can be tiny like this, can be big like mushroom. It grows in warm, moist places. It can also survive by decomposing or breaking down the object that they live on lah, like break mold. Can live like this. If you don't eat it in the certain period, it can producing the break mold. Okay. Next, and it can reproduce by producing spore. This one lah, spore. Okay. So example, wood of bread and yeast used to make the bread. So remember this pictures. Okay. Also maybe on the quiz. Okay. Okay. Yellow. Okay, yellow. Virus. Well, very well known also because the very latest virus we recognize, COVID-19. So who's got the COVID-19? Me. Oh yeah.
Difficult to breathe, I difficult to smell.
Okay. So virus is the smallest microorganism, not really alive, but until they enter a living cell, which is enter our body lah. And then they can cause diseases like COVID-19, flu, chickenpox. That's the shape of virus, small and round, and then they have a ting 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 like this one, ting ting ting. Okay, dot. Okay, the last one is alga. Okay, in Malay, alga. So alga, the color of alga is green because they have chlorophyll, and then alga also like a plant. It can live in water, pond, some similar to protozoa just like now, and then can be found in water, ponds, lakes, and can produce their own food through the photosynthesis process. Can produce their own food, okay, and they can live. The shape is round lah, round, green. Just remember round, circle, and green. So that's the name of alga lah, chlorella, bulbox, and the last one. So okay, that's all.
Next, we're going to learn factors affecting the growth of microorganism. So there are 6 factors affecting the growth of microorganism. So we're going to show you with the search modeler. So the first factors is light. When there are strong light, the growth of the microorganism will slow down or stop. When there is dark place, the microorganism will grow better. So we will show you with the search modeler. So when there is more light, the microorganism will slow down. But where there is absence of light, the microorganism will grow better. Other than that, the next factor is temperature. So when it is too cold or too hot, the microorganism growth will slow down or it become inactive. But when there is warm temperature, which is just not too cold, not too hot, in between, the microorganism grow better. Other than that is the acidity. When the environment of the microorganism is too acidic, the microorganism will die or stop growing. But when there are certain acidity level, it will grow well. So other than that is water. When there is more water, the microorganism will grow faster and it will multiply. But when there is less water or dry, the growth slows down or stops. Then we have air, especially oxygen. When there is enough air, the microorganism will grow well. When there is no air at all, it cannot grow or die. Last but not least is the nutrients. When there is more nutrients, the microorganism will multiply quickly. But when there is lacks of nutrients, the growth of the microorganisms will slow or even stops. Next, we will play a game to enhance your understanding about this topic.
So we're gonna have quiz. First one is we're going to use Kahoot. Total points. Magnetic SWOT. Who is my next one?
So next we will play playground. Okay, join our quiz.
Who is love?
Okay, thank you everyone for participate with our class. Since that we will give everyone some goodies.